Hello everyone, so in this video I will be showing you guys on how I wax my Girlstache. I have quite noticeable mustache, so waxing is my go-to way to remove it, and it's easy and fast, and I can do it by myself in my own room. So I prefer using hard wax over soft wax to waxing my upper lips, since I found it's very easy and fast and I don't require additional strips. Here I'm using a small ice cream stick to apply the wax. Since I'm working on my upper lips, using a small ice cream stick will make the application a lot more easier. Before I begin, I will wipe my upper lip first to remove any dirt and also sweat, and make sure the area is dry and clean. So when waxing my upper lips, I like to go over it twice. So as for the first round, I will be working on a small section first, starting off the other corner of my upper lips, taking some of the wax on the ice cream stick and applied it starting off from there. When applying it, I like to stretch out my skin a little bit and then apply the wax over it. Do the same thing on the other side. So wait until it dry, and with a stronger grip and a faster hand, quickly pull out the wax. You want to make sure that you're working very fast, or else it will increase the pain by doing it slowly. So here I want to show you guys the result, but I will be showing it at the end of the video. Moving on, I will be then applying at the next area. This time my font is more downward, so that is where I'm going to applying it. Basically, I will be applying it based on the direction of the hair growth. So here is tip for me to cool down or wax a little bit before applying it on my skin. I will take some on my ice cream stick and then turn the stick upside down, spinning it a little bit to let the air cool it down, and then applying it on my skin, on my upper lips. So then I will be just repeat the same process until the first round is done. So as for the second round, this time I will be doing it in the bigger section. So I will take some of the wax and then applying it in the bigger section, and when I'm applying it, I kind of going it back and forth, because I always seen this in any waxing video. The person who does the wax, they always do applying it back and forth, but then I will stop at the direction of the hair growth. Here I'm just having a short mental breakdown, because I just realized I forgot to film it when I pull up the wax. I just realized when I'm done applying it at the center area, but basically just do the same things. So now I'm finished with the second round. There is still some hair left, but I don't bother to redo it. But if you want to do it, you can apply the wax back, or just use a tweezer to pluck out any leftover hair. So now comes to the most exciting part, which is the result. Here I will be using my micro lens to show the close-up. So here's the result. So it's so satisfying to see the hair that has been flaking out from the wax. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.